Now see this question. I'm talking about Sana. Huh? Now, if you see this question, beta, which I have given you just now here, you will see that it is telling here that 3 months. In 3 months, she gets rupees 15,000. ठीक है, मतलब अगर हम 3 मंथ की बात करेंगे तो उसको 15,000 मिलता है. नाउ इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अ ईयर. तो एक साल में कितने मंथ होते हैं? टोटल 12 मंथ्स होते हैं. तो 12 मंथ्स के बारे में पता करने के लिए वी नीड एटलीस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 मंथ. तो पहले हम क्वेश्चन को इस तरीके से देखेंगे. 3 मंथ में 15,000. नाउ 1 मंथ. नाउ लुक एट योर, इट वाज मेनी, नाउ इट इज 1. So many to 1, so it will be 15,000 divided by 3. Answer would be 5,000. Now this is the 5,000 earning for 1 month. ठीक है. Now you know that we are talking about a whole year, है ना, and whole year means 12 months. अब यहाँ पर गौर से देखो, 1 month I was knowing, I am moving on 12 months, that is 1 to many, 1 to many, that we need to multiply. So 5,000 will be multiplied with 12. Why? Because 1 year में कितने month होते हैं? 12. So the answer would be 12 5s are 60 and zeros more will be there, है ना? So the answer would be rupees 60,000. Yes. Now you people
directly multiply 15,000 into 4 because 3 into 4 are 12 months.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, that is also the correct process बेटा. There can be multiple process, but हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ना, यूनिटरी मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं. तो यूनिटरी मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे, so according to that if I will give you this type of question, it can be easily solved in this way. ठीक है. अब एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड. नाउ एवरीवन हैज टू रिप्लाई. टेल मी, अगर उसको 36,000 कमाना है, अगर he has to she has to earn 36,000, can you tell me, not 36,000, sorry I took it wrong. If she has to earn 90,000, if she has to earn 90,000, can you tell me how much month she needs? Ma'am, if she has to earn 90,000, tell me.
Ma'am, 3 more.
99. No, you just write it down in the chat box. I am telling. Tell me, 12 months में 60,000 कमा रही है, ठीक है. 1 month में 5,000 कमा रही है. Can you tell me if she has to earn 90,000, 90,000, can you tell me how many months she needs? Okay, Anika, you are raising hand.
No, ma'am.
Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
अच्छा, okay.
Ma'am, 15.
No, not 15. Ishika has written 15, so you are telling 15 only. It's not 15.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
But she sent privately.
Acha, okay. Answer is not 15. Answer is not 15. Now, how will you do that? I am telling you. This is 1 month, 5,000. 5,000.
16 months.
Just a minute. Listen now.
Ma'am.
Whatever answer, beta, whatever answer you want.
18.
पहले मेरी बात सुनो.
Ma'am, 18.
वैसे बेटा गलत आदत है ना ये. If you want to say something, anything related to it, please reply in the chat box. There are multiple students who are replying. I really don't want anyone to listen the answer and repeat the answer. If you have to say answers, please use chat box. I am continuously observing the chat box. ठीक है. Some are writing 1 by 2, some are writing 15, some are writing 20, some are writing whatsoever. ठीक है. Now look at here. If question will be asking from us that how many months she will need for earning 90,000, what we need to do? It is telling 90,000. We will take 90,000. एक month में कितना earn कर रही है? 5,000. एक month में कितना earn कर रही है? 5,000. So just we will divide by 5,000. ऐसे डिवाइड कर लो, या अगर आपको ऐसे डिवाइड नहीं करना, यू कैन सिंपली कट इन दिस वे. 90,000 divided by 5,000. 10 10 10 10 10 10 cancelled. we have 90 upon 5, which will give us 18 months. And there are many students who have replied with 18 months. I am reading out their name now. The answer is told by Abhi Sarg has told the correct answer, and Kashish Jaiswal has told the correct answer. Toyaj has told the correct answer, and these students have told the correct answer. Brajpani has also told the correct answer, and Satvik Ranjan. Okay. Okay. The answer would be 18 months. She needs. Sorry. Toyaj, Kashish, you are telling by mistake you have written 18 months.
No, ma'am. I was telling ma'am.
By mistake, she has written 18,000.
अच्छा,
yes,
okay, but I have understood. But हम समझ गए थे बेटा. ठीक है, ये हो गया first solution. Now coming to this one. Second question which I gave you was, it is also belonging to from your NCERT book. I think it's 8th number question or 9th number question. It's let me tell you, this is 8th number question. In that it is telling weight of 72 books. Now 72 books, weight is 9 kg. I told you that day, just convert 9 kg as 9,000, which the question will become more easy to you. So 72 books, 9 kg, that is 9,000 grams. So one book kitna ho jayega? Now this is many. Now you are moving to one. Many to one. You need to only divide. So 9,000 divided by 72. अब इसको solve करो. How will you solve it now? यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 1000. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 8. ठीक है? Because you will cut it by 9 only. So it will be cutting 1000 ऊपर आएगा, नीचे आएगा 8. अब उसको cut करेंगे. 2 से मान लीजिएगा 125 will come. 8 से अगर आप directly cut करते हो तो it will give us 125 gram. ठीक है? Now 125 gram you have.
will give 5.
Yes. Now you need to find it out 40 books. ठीक है? You need to find it out 40 books, and you should know this is 1. Now moving to many. 1 to many. So it will be 125 multiplied by 40 gram. So your answer ये तो 0 हो गया. And this is now 4 5s are 20. Carry here 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 2 10. Carry here 1. 4 1s are 4 and 4 1 5. This is giving us 5,000 gram. And 5,000 gram का मतलब होता है 5
kg.
Yes. So if you want to write 5,000 gram, that is fine. If you want to write 5 kg, that is also fine. ठीक है? So you can have any answer out of it. ठीक है? Very good. So the answer would be 5 kg. So I have told you both the questions related to it. Now let us solve more questions. Okay? इसी से करते हैं. अब आपको याद होगा, I have told you to complete question number 1 से लेकर 6 तक. 6 तो I have told you. Now you tell me 1 से लेकर 6 तक में do you have any question to ask? 1 to 5, sorry. 1 to 5. Do you have any? Because have you tried or not? सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ. Have you tried or not? I told you to try. Have you tried or not? Please tell me. Very nice. Anika has replied yes. Pratyushi also. Very nice. Ishika also tried. Anusha also tried. Very good. So I am not going to tell you question number 1, 2, 3, 4 because they are not so tough question. ठीक है? हम लोग 6th question I have already told you. Now let's see what is the question number 7. Let me read it out. Question number very nice. Very nice, Abhisarg. Question number 7 says the cost of 4 dozen. The cost of 4 dozen. कहाँ गया? Banana is rupees 180. ठीक है? 180. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? Rupees 90. मतलब ये money वाला question हो गया. Now look at here. Question number 7. Let us discuss. Question number 7. Question number 7 says here that she has 4 dozen. Now 4 dozen in 180. So cost rupees 180. क्योंकि हमें money के through find करना, तो money हमारा इस तरफ रहेगा. ठीक है? तो 180 rupees में कितने बनाना? 4 dozen बनाना. Can you tell me 4 dozen means how many banana?
I'm 48.
Ma'am, 48.
Absolutely.
I'm 48.
Absolutely, beta. बिकॉज 1 डजन मीन्स कितना होता है 12, तो आंसर वुड बी 48 बनाना. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. इट मीन्स ₹180 में कितने बनाना आते हैं? 48 बनाना आते हैं.
48. मैम
we
in
will-
90, मैम may I tell?
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम in 90 rupees 24 bananas will come.
ओके, वेरी नाइस. देखो अब अगर गौर से देखो तो दिस इज 180 रुपीज 48 बनाना, 180 रुपीज 48 बनाना. हमें चाहिए 90 रुपीज में कितने बनाना आएंगे, तो जस्ट इसी का हाफ. या तो आप ऐसे कर लो, या तो आप ऐसे कर लो, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन, बिकॉज इट इज 180. आपको जरूरत करनी, आगे सॉल्व करने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी. और या तो अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है बाय यूनिटरी मेथड, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो वी नीड 90 रुपीज. देखो इसको ऐसे करेंगे 1 to many में. नाउ 48 upon 180 multiply by 90. I am doing this process by using the method of unitary method. But अगर आप चाहो तो इस स्टेप के बाद डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हो, because it is 180. 180 में 48 बनाना. I want 90 रुपीज, जस्ट इसी का हाफ, तो इसका भी हाफ हो जाएगा 24 बनाना. और अगर आपको ऐसे करना है तो देखो 91 जा 90, 92 जा 180, कट गया सब कुछ, ऊपर बचा 48, नीचे बचा 2, आंसर आ गया 24. सो इन एनी ऑफ द केस, इफ यू डू, either you do it directly or you do by unitary method, your answer will be 24 banana only. Fine. I hope it is clear to you. Now question number 7 हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अभी. हाँ, question number 8 also we have discussed. Now let us see question number 9 में क्या बोल रहा है. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometer. 594 kilometer. How much diesel will be required? How much diesel will be required? कहाँ गया? Will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometer. ठीक है, 1650 kilometer. So if you see this question, हाँ, if you see this question properly बेटा, पहले हमें निकालना क्या है, इसमें किलोमीटर के लिए निकालना है. तो पहले आप क्या निकालोगे? 594 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 108 लीटर पेट्रोल. ठीक है, start doing this question in front of me only. You all have NCERT book now? Yes or no? Reply. Do you have a NCERT book?
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing this question the same as we have done the cost वाला question. जैसे हमने cost वाला question किया ना, बिल्कुल इसी फॉर्म में. पहले निकालिए 1 किलोमीटर में कितना पेट्रोल लगेगा, डीजल लगेगा. Do it.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question is in the NCERT book. Do you have NCERT book, Astha?
Yes, ma'am, having.
NCERT book. हाँ चलो निकालो फटाफट बुक. तो बेटा बुक ओपन करके
Ma'am, I have not asked. Ma'am, Abhi sir has asked.
अच्छा अभी सर गेजा. अभी सर बेटा, you have NCERT book now. Then this is maths period book should be open. हाँ, NCERT book open होनी चाहिए. चलो फटाफट जल्दी से करो. Only tell me what will be the first line. I want only first line. First line को कैसे लिखेंगे? Just I want to know. And then I'll tell you the question. जल्दी बताइए. First line को कैसे लिखा जाएगा? हाँ, how will you write first line? किलोमीटर हम लोग किस तरफ रखेंगे और हम लोग डीजल किस तरफ रखेंगे? आई वांट टू नो दैट थिंग.
Please again tell the question. I was not.
Beta, question is, listen. Question is already written in NCERT book. The question is from NCERT question number 9. Question number 9. ठीक है? हाँ, question number 9. Let me take a screenshot of this one. Okay. Question number 8. 8 we have done it. Question number 9 now. Question number 9. What should be the first line I'm telling you here? It is telling here that 108 liters of diesel covering a distance of 594 kilometers. So distance 594 kilometer is equal to 108 लीटर. ये लाइन होगी हमेशा, ठीक है. हमें जो पूछा जा रहा है वो हमेशा यहाँ होना चाहिए बेटा, लेफ्ट पे. नाउ आई वांट 1 किलोमीटर, ठीक है. I want 1 kilometer. So distance 1 kilometer. Now this was many, moving to 1, many to 1. We need to simply divide 108 upon 594. Okay, it will be in liters. Now I want, now let us solve it. Let us cut it. सबसे पहले इसको 2 से कट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आएगा 54 और यहाँ पे कट करेंगे 2 2 जा 4, it will give you 2 9 जा 18 and then 2 7 जा 14. ठीक है, it will give you 2 2 जा 4 and then 2 9 जा 18 then 2 7 जा 14. Now 54 upon 297. ठीक है, let it be this only 54 upon 297. अभी इससे ज्यादा कट नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है. Now I want how much distance? Now I want distance say 1650. So distance 1650 kilometer. It will be now 554 upon 297 multiplied by 1650. Okay, 1650. Now let us solve it. It will cut by 13. It will cut by 13. I think so. Just a minute, let me think of it, by which number it will cut. You also think, I am also thinking. Tell me which number by it will cut.
Ma'am, I know the number.
बोलो.
3.
Ma'am, 3.
3 से कट होगा. करेक्ट. जब 3 से कट करोगे आप, हम इसको कट करते हैं, ठीक है. ये भी कट हो जाएगा 3 से. 3 1 जा 3, बचेगा 2, 3 8 जा 24. ठीक है, तो 18 आया और यहाँ पे कट करोगे तो 3 9 जा 27 एंड अगेन 3 9 जा 27 आएगा. 3 9 जा 27 एंड अगेन 2 बचेगा. 3 9 जा 27, 18 upon 99. और अब ये फिर से 3 से कटेगा. 3 से कैसे कटेगा? देखो 3 6 जा 18.
Yes, ma'am.
3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9, 33 आ गया. फिर से 3 से कटेगा. 3 2 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. कट हो गया. अब देखो आप लोगों ने इसको पूरा कंप्लीटली कट कर लिया. अब यहाँ पे 2 आ गया. अब ये 11 है, बिल्कुल नहीं कट होगा. अब इधर कट करके देखते हैं, बताओ कट होगा? चलो ट्राई करके देखते हैं. 1650 डिवाइडेड बाय 11. लेट अस सी कट. 11 1 जा 11, 1 बचा. 11 1 जा 11, 1 बचा. सॉरी यहाँ पे 5 बचा, यहाँ पर 5 आया. 11 5 जा 55, बचा क्या? 0. तो ये आ जाएगा 0. मतलब ये कट हो जाएगा और आंसर क्या मिलेगा हमको इससे? 150. ठीक है, 150 आ रहा है कट करने पर. अब नाउ यू नीड टू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, आंसर वुड बी 300 लीटर ऑफ डीजल. बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में याद रखो, इस क्वेश्चन में टफ नहीं है कुछ भी. इस क्वेश्चन में केवल कट करना टफ है. इस क्वेश्चन में केवल कट करना टफ है बेटा, बाकी क्वेश्चन टफ नहीं है ये वाला. ठीक है, गॉट इट? टेल मी, हैव यू गॉट इट? हाँ, एंड आई हैव ओनली कट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. Now we have only 2 questions left. ठीक है, only 2 questions are left. That is question number 10 and 11.
Ma'am, can you please explain the cutting?
एक मिनट. What you are telling now? कशिश, अभी टाइम ओवर नहीं हुआ बेटा, 1 मिनट बचा है. हाँ, what you are telling?
Ma'am, can you please explain the cutting part, ma'am, once more?
Okay, the student who have understood, they can leave the class. This is 10:10. Anika, you can stop recording. Only Kashish, you will.
Jai Hind, ma'am.